Hello, did you know that TopFX offers a unique copy trading section through the use of the cTrader platform? First of all, what is copy trading? It's a method or an option of trading whereas your account replicates the trades of an experienced trader. In other words, your account automatically executes the same trades of an experienced trader. There is no need to learn trading or spend hours familiarizing yourself with the financial markets or even spending time in front of a computer. How can you access copy trading? It only takes 3 simple steps. 1. Register and verify an account with TopFX. 2. Fund your account. 3. Visit the copy section on the cTrader platform and select the strategy provider, an experienced trader. Once finished, the trades made by the strategy provider of your choice are automatically replicated in your funded trading account. No more spending time in front of a computer deciding what to trade and when, or keeping an eye on the news for financial developments. With cTrader copy trading, an experienced trader handles all the work and your account automatically mimics the trade of the experienced trader. Keep in mind that with copy trading, the risk associated with CFD trading does not diminish or lessen. Interested to know more? Visit our YouTube channel and watch our tutorial video. My name is Neil from TopFX. Follow us for more. Thank you for watching. See you soon.